you know, we want to try to do something for y'all that you could replicate back at home. You know, I have a couple different grills, everything from coal to wood fire and everything else, but today we're gonna go ahead and use the Napoleon. It heats up rather quickly. We'll get that rolling up to around 700 degrees is typically where I like to be before I start the first sear. While you're cooking, you're gonna have a rest time, so you're gonna have, you know, these cuts of meat, 1.5 inches thick. I'm gonna shoot for a medium rare tonight with a nice little bit of a char on the outside if we can. If I order A1 at a restaurant, you could fucking know that Tony Marfione is extremely disappointed with what just came out on the plate, because it's not gonna fly at that point in stage of the game. Let's taste this thing. Now that's a good piece of meat. That's excellent. Bon appetit.